Hey, what's going on YouTube? Just another quick video. Today I'm going to show you how to view and cancel your Amazon membership and subscriptions. Alright, so let's get started. The first thing we want to do is go to Amazon.com and sign in. Alright, so once you are signed in, we are going to look at the top right corner where it says account and list. Then right under your account, you will see that it says membership and subscriptions. That's what we want to click on. Here you will see your memberships and subscriptions that you have on Amazon. Here you'll see that we have Amazon Prime and it's currently active, and this renews October 17th. Right under that you'll see Paramount Plus, and you'll see that it renews October 7th. And if we click on payment history, you will see that I've been charged for a few months. Now if you wish to cancel, you can do it here on the payment history page. All you have to do is click cancel subscription here on the right. And it'll take you here to this screen where it says remind me 3 days before renewal, turn off auto renewal and watch until October 8th, or keep subscription. You can also cancel here from the membership and subscription page. You'll see here on the right it says cancel subscription. So that's what we are going to do. We're going to hit cancel subscription. And then we are going to turn off auto renewal and watch until October 8th. Once you have canceled it, then you will see your subscription to Paramount Plus will not be renewed. And then it'll tell you that your subscription ends on October 8th. For you, it may be different, but this is for my account. Then right under that, it'll tell you to tell them why you have canceled your subscription, and you can choose to answer one of those. Now back on this membership and subscription page, you will see that you no longer have the cancel option here for Paramount Plus because we have already canceled it. Alright, next, if you wish to cancel Amazon Prime, all you have to do from the same page is click on Prime Membership Settings. Once you click on that, it will come up to this page. You'll see the Prime plan, your renewal date, and manage your membership. So here it gives you an option to update, cancel, and more. Now if we click on that, you can choose to end your membership here where it says End Membership right at the bottom. It will bring you to this page here. And it says, Isaac, do you still want to end your Prime benefits? So you have an option to remind me later, cancel my benefit, or keep my benefits. And if you no longer want Amazon Prime, then you will just cancel your benefits. Today, I'm going to choose to keep mine. That is all I have for today. If this video was helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and consider supporting the channel by subscribing. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys next time.